lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another Walmart Ibotta haul, and I wanted to complete my weekend warrior bonus. 18 rebates, I would get $5. I completed that. I got some new items and I've got to share it with my lovely people, of course. Now first, before we jump into this haul, I wanted to shout out one of the lovely people. Someone signed up with my referral code through ShopKick. Thank you so very much. It gave me some additional kicks, which I appreciate. Unfortunately, I cannot put your name because it didn't give your name in the email. So you know who you are. If you are the person, please drop a comment below so I can shout you out in a future video. I want to give you credit. All right, guys, let's jump into it. The first rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Sky Organics treatment mask. This is a hair product, okay? So excited about this. This is Sky Organics Curl Care Castor Oil and Mango Butter Treatment Mask. Deep conditions natural curly and coily hair. Sounds like me, okay? This product is priced $9.98 in my Walmart, and I had a coupon that I used with it. Actually, a buy one get one free coupon. $10 off coupon, buy one get one free. That was a high value coupon, up to $10 off. Amazing. So let me show you the other product that I did get to join this. Now there is a $3 Ibotta rebate for this. Yes, great deal. So the next product that I got in addition to the hair mask was the Sky Organics Curl Care Castor and Coconut Oil Detangling Conditioner, guys. This was priced $9.98 in my Walmart. So the two of them together, I used that coupon that was up to $10 value off in store, dropped my cost to $9.98 in store for the two. I got back two $3 rebates from Ibotta, $6 back together, making the final cost $3.98 for the two products. I think that is an amazing deal. Anytime Crystal can try some natural hair products, I'm for it. Okay, yeah. Next rebate, guys, was the Perdue Harvest Land Chicken. Price $3.67 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I paid $3.67 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.42 for the Perdue Harvest Land Chicken. This is a chicken thighs. These are chicken thighs, but they did have chicken breast tenderloins. Okay, I did not get those. They were actually like maybe $4, a little bit over $4 a pack. I wanted the cheapest one. I was looking for the cheapest pack. Next product I got was the Buy Boost. I have been looking for this in Target, Walmart, could never find it. It ended up being not in the refrigerated cooler section, but it actually was on the aisle with the other energy drinks. Okay, there was like the water, and then it's like those little icy drinks, the ones that are called ice or something. I think it's like a flavored water. That's where this was. All right, so they did have other flavors as well. This was priced $1.58 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.58 in store. Now Ibotta is giving you a free rebate, $1.99 back, making this a 41-cent moneymaker and absolutely free. Great deal. The one that I got was the Buca Black Raspberry. Interesting. Next thing I got, guys, was the Campbells Soup, condensed soup. There is a rebate. You must purchase two for this rebate. Okay, these were priced 94 cents each in my Walmart. I decided to get cream and mushroom, something I buy all the time for cooking. $1.88 for the two is what I paid. I didn't use a coupon, so the cost in store was $1.88. I got back 35 cents from Ibotta for the two, making the final cost $1.53 for the two cans. I think that's a good deal for me. Next rebate, guys, was on the Cottonelle flushable wipes. I cannot have enough of these things. I love flushable wipes. Okay. They're priced $2.43 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.43 in store. Now these were actually located with some, it was kind of weird. It's like the aisle with the body wash, and then there is a little small section with like wipes like this, and baby wipes. So odd to me because they also have baby wipes in another section in the store. But anyway, that's where these were. I couldn't find these ever in my neighborhood Walmart anymore. Now, for what came back for me was 75 cents Ibotta rebate, and when I uploaded my receipt to Fetch Rewards, there is 55 cents coming back, or 550 points. So that made my final cost $1.13 for the Cottonelle flushable wipes. I was really happy about that. I love flushable wipes. Yes. Can't you tell? I bought another one. I got the Sun and Earth flushable wipes, guys. Now this was priced $2.48 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon. I had to pay $2.48 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.48. Now last time I bought these wipes the other day in that Walmart, all of them had 50-cent little peelies on top. So some brainiac done went in there and peeled all the darn things off. People get on my nerves. Next rebate, guys, was these Swanson chicken broth, guys. All right, these were priced $1.98 in my Walmart for a total of $3.96. Now for this rebate, you must purchase 2, okay? That's why it's $3.96, okay? Must buy 2 is what it says on the rebate. I'm gonna get back $1 from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.96. I'm okay with that because this is a great item I can always cook casseroles and different things with. Yes. Next rebate, guys, I decided to get was the PUR Seal. Now the PUR Seal, this is the 15 count of the disc, okay? This was priced $4.94 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.94 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.94. Now, this is the thing. In my inserts for this coming Sunday, there was an advertisement for PUR Seal, but there was no PUR Seal coupons in my insert, okay? So, I don't know, guys. I looked on Coupons Tom, and it was some other kind of flyer name there for PUR Seal coupons, but it wasn't a flyer I've ever heard of, guys. So I'm sorry. I'm not aware if there's a coupon for this. There may be one, but I'm not aware of it, unfortunately. Next thing I decided to get, guys, was the Perdue guacamole salsa. It was priced $2.14 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.14 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.14 for the guacamole salsa, and I actually got mild. Next rebate, guys, I decided to get was, I love that this reset, guys, the Colgate Toothpaste. Now I actually did this haul in 2 trips. I did a Friday trip and I did a Saturday today trip, okay? So one was done yesterday, it reset, and I got the other one. So the price of these are $3.96 in my Walmart, no coupon. I had to pay $3.96 in store each time. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost 96 cents. Not too bad, I don't think, for 3 tubes of toothpaste per pack. Yes, got that. Next rebate I decided to do, guys, was the Kraft grated Parmesan cheese, guys. Price $2.98 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate coming back, which made it be, which lowered the cost to $2.23. But because I had purchased this product one time before when it was on Shopkick, I was able to complete a bonus for purchasing it twice, 2 separate times. So it gave me an additional 50 cents bonus, which dropped this cost to $1.73. I was cool with that. Sometimes I'll go in my earn more bonus section and see what bonuses I haven't completed. If it's product I need to buy additionally, that's going to give me a little extra money. Sometimes I'll just buy it. Next rebate, guys, had to get my Palmolive Spray. All right, $3.98 in my Walmart. I had one more hang tag that was hanging around the product. So I used that $1 coupon, dropped my cost in store to $2.98. Now there is still a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back to me, and Shopkick scanning in store and uploading the receipt gave me back an additional 90 cents. making the final cost $1.08 for the Palmolive Spray away. Super excited about it. I keep wanting to get that. Next, rebate, guys. Told y'all I'm swimming in Oreos over here. The Oreos. Priced $3.67 in my Walmart. For this rebate, it's a BOGO. I must purchase 2 for a total of $7.34. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $7.34 in store. My Ibotta rebate gave me back $3.67, making the final cost $3.67 for the 2 packs. Plenty. I think I probably got about 10 packs of Oreos or more. All right, guys, let's talk about the numbers. How much did everything cost me? $65.26. As I told you, I did 2 transactions, one yesterday and one today. Yes, I did have $10.98 in coupons, dropping my cost to $54.28. I used 2 $5 Shopkick gift cards, one today, one yesterday. That dropped my cost to $44.28. And then my Ibotta rebates. I got back $26.76 from Ibotta. Then I did complete my Weekend Warrior bonus for $5 for doing 18 rebates, okay? And I did get that 50-cent craft bonus for purchasing the Kraft Parmesan Cheese, all right? And I did accomplish my April level 4 bonus, which was for doing 40 rebates, $2 additional, dropping my cost for everything to $10.02. I think that is amazing. I had 18 items, okay? For a final cost of 56 cents each, guys. Super excited about this haul. You know I love to get food rebates. I love to be able to show you guys food rebates and new items that I've never tried before. So I'm excited about trying this Sky Organics, guys. But the coupon planets aligned because we got that BOGO coupon. Because I do remember, I think this product was on Shopkick at one point. It's not on there now. Doesn't matter because we got that BOGO coupon. Well, I had that BOGO coupon. I hope you got it. Yeah. I'm going to like this product, guys. Let's see. I want y'all to see the slip. Y'all know, natural hair, the slip is important. I want to do my hair. I want to actually redo my hair, wash my hair, redo my hair, because tomorrow is Toot's birthday. Charity's birthday is tomorrow, guys. And I wanted to redo my hair. It looks crazy, so I wanted to redo it. I did bust out my Cricut, and I tried to make some things. I want to show you guys. I'll probably show y'all in a separate video what I made for her party for decor. And I made this little thing. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Y'all know I'm new to Cricut, so you know I did this little, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It's just got her name and a number 3. So I got some little hearts. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do. Where did their hearts go, Crystal? I don't know where the hearts went. And I got the theme of the party is baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo. Y'all know. Y'all got a little person, y'all know. Baby shark is, baby. Y'all know. I don't know. But I'm Grandma Shark, and Richard is Grandpa Shark, and Charity know the song, okay? I got her something that is super, super cute, guys. Her mama don't watch this video. She don't watch my coupon videos, so it don't matter. Let me show y'all the toothbrush that I got her. Where's that? Oh my gosh. I got this toothbrush from Target, and what it does, it actually plays Baby Shark. And see, if I had that rebate on Swag Bucks for that toothpaste, for Baby Shark toothpaste, I would have got it, but I didn't have it. But let me just put a little plug here. I'm not going to be doing Swag Bucks. I'm going to just tell y'all right now. Swag Bucks taking too long to give me my gift card. I can't with them. Okay? I'm just let y'all know. I ain't going to be doing them deals. All right. It says, try me.
Bright Brush with Baby Shark finally makes brushing fun. With music, games,
Oh my God!
Bright Brush has patented sensors that know if you're brushing correctly. The better you brush, the better better the gameplay. Are you ready for the smartest, most fun brush ever?
Exactly. She gonna freak out, okay?
Time to start brushing.
Okay.
Brush up and down.
She gonna love that. I'm gonna try to record that when she open that gift. Oh, she gonna love that. Let me just let y'all know. So that's it, guys. That's all for the haul. It's a win from a Walmart Ibotta haul to a charity birthday party baby shark video. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. I appreciate you guys so very much for tuning in today. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of your Saturday, and I'll holler at you later. Bye-bye.